So I got my hard butters and my oils in here. I'm gonna do the heat transfer method. Instead of warming everything up, it's gonna warm everything up at once instead of having to do it separately. So pretty much it's all done melted. I don't know if you can really see it. So make sure you tap your blender so you don't have air bubbles or anything, and stir. So I actually like the heat transfer method. Instead of warming up all my oils and then doing it, I actually like this. Is much easier. The cleanup is easier as well. So I think I'm gonna keep doing this. I am making too much soap. In the mold so y'all can see it. Okay, I gotta find me another mold because this was definitely more than what I thought. I just finished with my bar soap and they went through partial gel phase. So I just threw them in the oven on 170. I'm gonna do it for 2 intervals of 5 minutes. And so the hardness of my soap is 38. So right here I have 2 soaps. This one hardness is a 38 and it's pretty hard. So after the cure time, it'll get harder. But this one is a 45. So right after I took out the mold, it was really hard. So y'all can see it. So this is the hardness of 38. Still hard. 45. No. But I definitely like the 38. But the 45, I love the 45. It's going to last longer. So I would keep the hardness between the 38 and a 45. But 45, I love it. It's really hard. You could hurt somebody with this. Not, you know. So the soaps that you see went through partial gel phase. So as I said, I threw them back in the oven. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you another batch of soap that went through gel phase and versus when it wasn't in gel phase. And this is all the same batch I just made.